Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can block someone in Hilokal language community app. So you can see it's the home page of Hilokal, but if you want to block someone, then how you can block? So you can see there is a portion, it's called table or room. People is speaking practicing there. So if you want to block some specific person, then you can block two way. Like you can see for tutorial purpose, I am not I'm not gonna enter any room. But if you want to block someone, then you can join any room. For example, like I'm going to choose this person. Okay, this person. Then you have to click on his or her profile. So I'm going to click on her profile. So this is the one way, and after that you can see it's a image profile. So then you can see the option three dot. Okay, this option three dot, simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see block ima. Okay, so this option, uh, you can see that this option block ima, simply click block ima, and then this user will be blocked in your going to listed in your block list. Okay, so it's really easy and simple, friend, and you can also enter any room. But if I enter any room, then there is a problem of audio, so just follow the rule. Okay, so simply click on this, sorry, click on this room. Okay, so it means that enter anyone, because there is a block someone, I block someone here, so it's some problem audio. Just wait, connecting to room, and once I enter there, then I can also block people. Like you can see continue, so you can behind audio, so simply click on it, and then I can like there is a same as room, I can block someone. So okay, so it's really easy. Okay, friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So